One of the biggest challenges in the entrepreneurial world today is that entrepreneurs are being sold the myth of the perfect business. I want you to understand something. There is no such thing. Your business is broken, and if things go well, it always will be. I'm going to tell you that again. Your business is broken, and if things go well, it always will be. Here's why. Growth creates deficit, and success creates complexity. Let me explain to you what I mean by that. See, the more your business grows, the more you do, the more you bring people on, the more you have clients, the more you create outcomes in the world, the more deficit you will have. Let me just show you a simple example. Let's just say you have a business where you have a ton of leads, but you're not converting enough of those leads. Well, then you fix conversion, and now you're gonna have an issue in delivery. Now you fix delivery, and you're gonna have an issue somewhere else. So your business will always be broken. The more you grow, the more deficit there is, and success creates complexity. The more success you have, the more complex your business gets. In fact, as you grow, even if you keep your business incredibly simple, it still gets more complex. More people to work with, more revenue to collect, more revenue to keep track of, more outcomes to actually pursue. And as your team grows and the business grows, there will always be something going on that needs to be corrected. So here's what I want you to think about as an entrepreneur. Disavow this weird fantasy that somehow business will someday be perfect. Whenever I see a sales letter that says you can grow a perfect business that'll make you excited and give you everything you want 24/7 in just the next 90 days, I literally want to climb through the computer and pull the sales letter down because it just isn't true. The reality is that your business is broken. It should be that way. And you want a team that is adaptable, that is malleable, that is a team of true believers and will go around and fix the breaks. That's how a business grows. When a business starts growing, when you hire your team, when you start taking on new clients, you literally break the business over and over again and you strengthen it at the breaks. Here's what I want you to know. The more your business breaks, the stronger it will be. There's an old saying, I think it's a Native American saying, the stronger the breeze, the stronger the trees. Because in nature, when there's an orchard of trees and the wind blows against those trees, the stronger the wind blows, the more micro cracks there are in the trunk of the tree, the more it gets fissures and cracks and issues and challenges. But the way nature works is, nature strengthens those trees at the breaks. So the more the tree breaks, the stronger it actually is. The stronger the breeze, the stronger the trees. So the more your business goes through, the stronger it will get if you are determined and committed to fixing the business at the breaks. So remember, no matter what happens, your business is broken, and if things go well, it always will be. Don't ever let anybody tell you you need a perfect business. And when you find a challenge, an issue, something going wrong in the business, congratulate yourself. It usually means you're growing, pushing new barriers, extending your runway, and making things happen. Here's to you and your business. Go out and change the world.